Okay, chances are it's a metric nut, but 1 1/16 just worked. Okay, I got the sprocket off now. There's a couple number 8s left to pull that case right here off. Hopefully it just slides right back off. And we'll see what's going on inside there. I've already drained the oil, so we shouldn't have any oil coming out. Maybe it's whatever's trapped on this side of the case, but I don't know why this is a Phillips. I don't know if that's normal or somebody lost a bolt and had to do this before. There it goes. I was nervous. Yeah, I don't know why that's like that. I'll probably try to replace it with a normal number 8. That was kind of a pain in the ass. Just try to clean up some of this grime so it doesn't get in there once I have this open. There's a lot of different length metric bolts come out of this. Looks like there's one more. Looks like a stud. Maybe a number 10 stud just below the output shaft for the shifter. Oof. It's kind of hard to get to. It's really close to the frame. We've got a swivel joint on there now, but it's not super spacious right here. Can't see it, but it's a pretty tight spot. Okay, so I got that number 10 nut off that stud. Looks like it is the last remaining piece holding this on. Got a little bit of a wobble here. There's a gasket back there, so I don't really want to replace it. I guess hard to get to the bottom. Easy kind of point to get to there. I don't know if this has to come off, but I guess we'll. There it goes. I don't know if anything's about to come out. I guess we'll find out. Man. Alright, burn that little ledge down. Well, there's a little piece of metal down here in the bottom. Looks like a broken pin. I'm guessing it's off that star piece. That stud bolt has a little bit of wear on top. I can't tell if it's bent yet. We'll have to take some more stuff apart. But yeah, definitely sheared a pin off here somewhere. So the star piece that's behind this disc has, I believe, 6 little studs, and this right here, this lever, that would be like a downshift. Well, the stud that's broken is I guess the first or neutral stud, and it's not there, so it's not shifting. This circle is what shifts the transmission, and that stud's gone, so we're gonna have to get a new star part there.